Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Let me show you what Mr. FedEx delivered today. This is pretty cool. It's all from the autumn release. I'm going to probably save the most dramatic things for the last. This is our Couture Boutique rotating flip sign. Let me take it out of the package and show you exactly what it is. This is so cool. I wasn't impressed with it, honestly. At first, I was like, oh, well, that's nice, whatever. And then I thought about it a little bit, and I took another look at it, and I said, oh, goodness. I could see a lot of uses for this. And there's some transfers that have been made that are perfect for this. Now, first of all, it is our Couture Boutique surface, which means it's a chalkboard, which means it's reusable. Spritz it with water, wipe off the previous design, add a new design. Oops, that's not the way to do it, but let me hold it. And it rotates, it spins, it flips. And it can stand horizontally or vertically. Obviously, if you're going to spin it like a crazy person like I'm doing right now, you want to hold it. But generally, it will stand on its own. Look at what goes perfectly with this. This is called Hello Goodbye. So you could put hello on one side, goodbye on the other, but there's more. This is two of our chalkable shapes. Our chalkable shapes are just like our boutique boards in that you can reuse them, wipe off the design and reuse it again and again and again and again. One of our newest product lines, and they are so cool. We've got them stuck to my fingers. We've got hello and we've got goodbye. So I could actually use this transfer and color these using the transfer and then apply them to the board. Giving it a little bit 3-dimension. Or you could actually put these on our simple shapes, our rectangular simple shapes. Same idea, a little bit more cost-effective surface. But being that it's our Couture Boutique surface, you could use it over and over and over again for years. Change it up with every holiday, with every season, however you really want. So it's really, really a wonderful surface. So I'm going to put this on the side, out of the way of everything else, and I'm going to bring out here. Let's see if I could set it somewhere there. Okay. So this is cool. And then there's, of course, let's go out, let's order in, kitchen open, kitchen closed. So all these will work on that frame or on the rectangular simple shapes. Now I know I've been talking about Christmas in July starting Monday. This is going to be one of my favorites. And again, it's the chalkable shapes. Let me show you them. They're adorable. Has anyone started their Christmas cards yet? Making or just writing? I always just think I'd start in July, and very rarely did I get the opportunity. I'm one of these people who's rushing like a madwoman after Thanksgiving to get them made or get them written out. Oh my goodness, these are our Oh What Fun ornaments. They coordinate perfectly with the Oh What Fun transfer. We've got a little stocking, a mitten, and there's a little hole punch at the top so you could hang them up and put them on the tree, a star, an ornament, oops, and a snowman. Aren't these sweet? So yes, I am going to be using them in one of my projects next week. And then these are the Couture Boutique chalkable shapes for the apothecary cabinet. Let me put these away and just show you them. Again, fully erasable. Use them over and over and over again. If you're the kind of person who does different color themes for your holidays, I used to do that. I've gone a little bit more traditional because Mom likes more traditional, but Sometimes I would do like mauve and silver, or gold and silver and white. I just would kind of change things up every year. So you could actually do those ornaments in one color one year, wash them off, and use them again next year. Just use a different color paste. These go perfectly with our Halloween transfer for the apothecary cabinet. And they look like little medicine bottles with spooky little sayings that you could chalk on them. They're quite good size. Let's see, the tallest one is about 7.5 inches and about 2.5 inches wide. So they're not little, they're substantial. They're kind of cool. And of course you could sit them up in some of our little bases now and just make a nice little Halloween display. I know I'm kind of all over the map here. I'm just grabbing things as I took them out of the box. And oh goodness, I'm saving the most dramatic for last. In keeping with the Christmas in July idea, this is so sweet. Oops, I just need room to put things. Hang on a second, I don't want to have things spilling all over the place. What do you think about a chalkable shape? It's Santa. How cool is this? And again, perfectly coordinates with its corresponding transfer. Oh my goodness, look at, and he's so nice and tall. He's 10 inches tall and about 4.25 inches wide. Would make a great centerpiece or just an accent piece. I'm not going to take this out of the package right now. This is another Chalkable Shapes. It's the Gingerbread Baking Company. And this is the background. And then this is the banner over here. And here's a little gingerbread man. And there's also a downloadable SVG for this, so that if you want to cut out these shapes, you can. The gingerbread, the background is quite large. Let's see, it is about a little over 16 inches wide and about 11 inches high. This is adorable for the Gingerbread Baking Company transfer. It's going to be beautiful. I mean, it's a very dramatic piece. You could do it in just black, or you could do it in color. Do it whatever way you want. Do it with the colors that coordinate with your decor. Okay, let me put this aside. One more thing for Halloween, and then I'll get to the other things. One more Chalkable shape. This one is called, again, with the Chalkable Shapes, the Couture Boutiques. This is called A Little Baddie, and it totally corresponds to the transfer of the same name. And as you could probably guess, we've got some bats in here. We've got the word baddie, and then we've got 3 bat shapes in different sizes. Now, this is cute in and of itself, and it's great with the transfer. I mean, of course, you would want to chalk something on it. Remember, you could change up your color schemes. Remember also that we now have our glow-in-the-dark paste is available once again. So if you use our color of the month, the Take Note and kind of like neon green on here, once that's dry, give it a coat of the glow-in-the-dark, and it'll be neon gray in the light, and it'll glow in the dark. These are the things I've been most anxious to show you. Oh, they're so big. These are our Couture Boutique, again, the Chalkable Erasable Surface, black arch and base, and white arch and base. Now, these are large. The surface itself is 14 inches tall and about 11 inches wide. Wouldn't these make the perfect tombstones for Halloween? And you can make them for Halloween and then redo them and put a design appropriate for Thanksgiving on it. Remove Thanksgiving, put something for Christmas. remove Christmas, do Valentine's Day. You can do lots of different things. Just use them over and over and over again. I'm having a hard time getting this out of the plastic. Let me just open this up a little bit more. Look at this. Isn't that cool? And it comes with its own little base. Now the base is just under 11 inches. So, goes together like this and then stands up. Wouldn't this be, I mean, talk about drama. They're obviously perfectly suited for Halloween because of the arch kind of being like making it a tombstone. And I've got a trick up my sleeve when I get to the Halloween stuff to show you how to paint this with chalk paste to make it look old and weathered like a stone tombstone, which is going to be really, really cool. Or, of course, it also comes in the black. I'm not going to take the black out of the packaging, but basically same size, just one's in white and one's in black, and these are called Chalkable shapes, black arch or white arch and base. They're so adorable. So let me move these out of the way. I feel like I had something else to show, or was that it? I have to take a look around. I have so many things clustered around me. It's crazy town right now. Nope. That's it. I don't even know what I'm doing. I was so excited to finally get these. I was like, I put off ordering them initially, and they're just absolutely beautiful. So these are going to be lots of fun. So stick around for tomorrow to see the gift that I'm working on. And starting Monday, join me for Christmas in July. It's going to be lots of fun. If you are not a member of my VIP group and would like to be privy to additional videos, tips, tricks, and the occasional game or so, and maybe some giveaways, comment VIP and I will send you the link. Thank you so much for watching. You make it a great Saturday. I will see you soon.